Our model will consist of several processes called nodes. So first we must to do is to change the name of a sample element to node and the name of the node from example model to truth model. And the name of the elements to nodes. Next, we define node class as abstract because we will cannot instantiate node, but instantiate elements who inherit from the node class. Now, for every kind of node, we must add the domain class to the language and change its name. In this case, start. Now, we must indicate that it is a class derived from the node class. For every domain class, we create a set that represents the elements in the model. So we add a geometry shape and rename it as star shape. Now, we just give it the appearance that we want. In this shape will be a light green circle with dark green border. Now we must declare a decorator to map the name of the node. This decorator will be a text decorator named name. To center the decorator text on the element, we change the position to center. Once we have created the shape for the start domain class, we must map this how we can see on the video, and map every domain property with its appropriate shape. In this case, we map the domain property name with the text decorator name. Once we know how to create the element and its shapes, we will repeat the same process to create every kind of node and every shape of this. We create the domain class state and his geometry shape. As we see on the video, we create an image shape for the 4-domain class because there's no any geometric figure to represent it, and we will use an image taken by the JPDL model. We just select the image that we want. In this case will be the image for joint shape that I created previously, and press OK button. Once we've created every domain class, start, state, fork, join, task, decision, mail, cancel, and then it saves, end save, cancel save, mail save, decision save, on the connection transition for the relations between nodes, we must add these elements to the toolbox. To that end, we click on DSL Explorer tab, Editor, Toolbox tab, Tracer, right-click on Tracer, and add new connection tool that we use to represent transitions tool. We rename it to Transition and define the connection builder as Node Referent Target Builder. Finally, we select the toolbox icon image. Now we are going to add a new element tool named Start, and in this case we must select the class Start and select as toolbox icon an image that I created previously. We will repeat the process to create the rest of tools. To finish, in order to make the model more consistent, I've implemented some validation rules. Firstly, I create 3 interactive rules to validate that the end node can be a source node, the start node can be a target, and only the decision and fork nodes can have more than one outgoing transition. No class contains 3 methods to verify that every node has a name, every task has valid assignee, and every node has at least one incoming transition. Once we've finished the domain-specific language, we can run the back and create the business process. I've created Proceso Trazabilidad. As we can see, the business process is so similar to the model developed in JPDL. Finally, I've created a template who generates an XML from the model. If we execute the template, we will see that the XML generated is so similar to the XML from the JPDL model.